Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. I just came across a song here from Jacob Banks. Cool song from him called Just When I Thought. So, very easy, built on 3 different chords that goes round and round. We will look at 2 different ways of playing this one. So, let's start right away. The capo here on the 1st fret. And we will go over the chords first. The E is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Second chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So you bar the 1st fret here, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so we have this main theme melody. Goes like this. That is 1 round based on the 3 chords. So we'll start with the E. You're gonna play the open E string in the bass together with the 1st fret G string. Then you're gonna play the open B, and then 3rd B. That is the E part, okay? So open E together with 1st G, then open B, and 3rd B. The A minor part is just open A together with 1st B. And that's it. So open A, 1st B. And then we have the final chord F, and that is just these 2 notes together. 1st fret on E string in the bass together with the 2nd fret G string. Alright, now we want to add in a clap into this one. So you're going to play the E, open E together with 1st G, and here you're going to add a clap. I suggest that you just clap on this E string. It's enough, and that will not kill the sound totally. If you do like this, it will just die everything. So you want the notes to ring out. So clap on the E string there, right after this 2 notes together. And then you're gonna play. And then comes the A minor part. You play the 2 notes together, open A together with 1st B, and then you're gonna clap. And that's it for A minor. And then you play the 2 notes for F, 1st fret E string together with the 2nd fret G string, and then you clap right after. So 3 claps, and the claps comes right after you play the bass and the 1st note together. Then comes the 1st clap for each and every chord. So E, A minor, F. That is basically what you need for the song. But you can also choose to make a strumming pattern. And then of course it's the same chords there. And if we grab this E chord, we will look at the strumming pattern, which will be down, down, clap, down, up. Okay? So down, down, clap, down, up. That is 1 round. So down, down, clap, down, up. Here you can do the clap on all strings if we wish, because we are playing a lot of downs and ups for this strumming. So it will not be a big break before you play anything else new after the clap. So that is why you can choose to play the full clap on all strings, or you can just go still with this E string clap. It's enough anyway. So you do it in what way you feel is more comfortable. So you're gonna play this strumming 2 rounds for E, 1 strumming round for A minor, and 1 strumming round for F. So E, E, A minor, F. E, E, A minor, and F. Yeah, and I just mixed those two styles together, and I tried to hit the notes we learned from the melody and to build them into the strumming. That works as well. You can do it in your way, go for melody or the strumming, or do like I did, freestyle a bit, and that will be great. That is Jacob Banks' song called Just When I Thought. I just want to mention, after about 2 minutes and 40 seconds into the song, this song just completely makes it 360 there, becoming a gospel-like song with some new chords. We will not cover that part. It feels like a completely new song to me, and this is kind of the main part of the song we just looked at. So that is I want to give you that info. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.